Hello and welcome to this practice. This is yoga for the workplace. So whatever you do for work, whether it's inside the house, outside the house, this is for you. And our workplace is the world. So just living is work, right? So yoga for the workplace, but this practice is going to be good anytime. You don't need a yoga mat for it. You can even do it in a chair if you like. I'm going to do it standing. So it's going to work on neck, shoulders, upper back, and you're going to feel great afterwards. So we're going to start with shoulder circles. So bring those shoulders up and back and down. So go nice and slow. As far up, as far back. Squeeze those shoulder blades together as far down as they'll go. So just a few of these nice slow shoulder circles. So I like you to go up and back and down because it kind of reverses what we do all day. All day long we do forward reaching things usually. And so this is up and back and down. It's opening the chest, opening the heart, working those muscles of the upper back. Good, and let that slow down. Shake out the arms, shake out your legs a little bit. We're going to do what's called the flip. So bring your arms down by your side, palms are forward, weights even on both feet. Spread the fingers a little bit, and we're going to flip the hands back and then forward. Back and forward. So we do it nice and slow. I want you to feel the rotation in the shoulder joint itself, but also the muscles in the arms doing some work. You can feel the chest getting some movement, the upper back getting some movement. So just flipping the hands forward and flipping the palms back. Next time the palms are forward, leave them forward. We're going to lift the arms out to our side in a T position. So your palms are facing the ceiling. And we're going to turn the palms down and up. So flipping them down and up. So we get this shoulder rotation. You can feel it in the forearms. We get a little bit in the wrists, in the hands even, upper back and chest. Keep your belly pulling in and up. Stand nice and tall. Heart lifts. Good. Next time the palms are down, then go ahead and bring the arms down by your side. Shake out your arms. Shake out your legs. We're going to do energy up. So we're going to bring palms together, thumbs at the heart. The whole palm touches, so make sure the heel of the hand stays in contact with each other. And we're going to inhale and bring the fingers straight up towards the ceiling until your elbows touch. And then once the elbows touch, lift the hands a little higher, as high as you can go. And then exhale, we're going to bring the hands down. Thumbs come back by the heart, elbows out to the side. So we'll do that a few times. Inhale, hands come up, elbows touch, and lift the hands as high as they'll go. And then exhale, bring them down. So if your elbows don't touch when you lift the hands, that's okay. They'll get there. So this is working the chest, the shoulder joint itself, the upper back. So nice and slow. All these movements are nice and slow. We're not rushing through them. We're not using momentum to help us. We're breathing with the movement. So when we breathe with the movement, we're syncing our breath and our body. Good. Next time the thumbs are at the heart, then go ahead and bring the hands down. Shake out arms, shake out legs. We're going to go into chest expander. So I'll turn around so you can see. We're going to bring the hands back behind us and interlace the fingers. If you can't interlace the fingers, then just bring the hands as close to possible as they can in the back. So you might have tight shoulders and you just can't get the fingers interlaced. But if you do, go ahead and interlace those fingers, squeeze the shoulder blades together, and bring the hands down towards the floor. As we bring the hands down towards the floor, the heart lifts, the chest lifts, the belly pulls in and up as we squeeze the shoulder blades together. Good. Now, if you want to go a little further, move the hands away from the back. So whether the fingers are interlaced or not, try moving the hands away from the back. Keep lifting the heart. Keep pulling the belly in and up. Keep breathing. Chin is level with the floor. And then we're going to let that go. So unlace the fingers, bring the arms back down by your side, and just shake out arms and legs a bit. Okay. Next one is called the swimmer. So we're going to bring the backs of our hands together in front of us. Okay? And then we're going to open the arms out to the side as if we're pulling water back with us. Good. Bring the hands back as far as they'll go. Bend your elbows. Bring the hands forward again. Backs of the hands touch. And bring those arms out to the side. Nice and slow movement as far back as you can go. Bend the elbows. Bring the hands forward. Backs of the hands touch. So you're reaching forward. Bringing the arms out to the side. Expanding the chest. Bring those arms back and down. Bend the elbows. Hands forward. Good. Swimming. The swimmer. Good. And we're going to do one more of those. Bring those hands forward. Backs of the hands touch. And bring the arms out to the side, isometrically kind of pulling water back. And bring the arms down now and shake it out. Okay, next one is chin slides. So hands are going to be on the hips. And we're going to imagine that our chin is on a drawer. And we're going to stick the neck and the chin as far forward as it'll go. And then slide the chin back into that drawer. And slide the chin forward. Nice and slow, slide the chin back. So we keep the hips, the shoulders, the arms, the chest and back neutral. And the only thing moving forward and back is the chin and the neck. So it's like it's a drawer. You're sliding it forward. You're sliding it back in. Let's take one more of those. Slide the chin and neck forward. Slide the chin back in. Good. And shake that out. Okay, the next one is called talk to the hand. So we're going to bring the hands forward with the palms up. So we're stretching the wrists, the hands, the forearms, and then fingers down. Good. Fingers up, fingers down, fingers up, fingers down. This is great, especially if you work at a computer. We've got those wrist issues going on. Next time the fingers are up, then bring the arms out to the side and just feel that stretch in the fingers. Good. Hold, breathe, and then bring the fingers down and bring the fingers up. So your arms are at shoulder level. Don't let gravity take them down. Fingers down, fingers up. Nice stretch in the wrists, in the arms, in the shoulders, in the upper back. Good. Next time the fingers are down, bring the arms all the way down. Good. Shake out the arms, shake out the legs. Next is elbow circles. So bring the fingertips to the tops of the shoulders. Imagine that you have a crayon on each shoulder or a marker, and you're going to make as big of circles as you can make, but we're going to go nice and slow. So bring the elbows forward and as far up, maybe they'll point up to the ceiling, out to the side, back behind you a little bit, and then down. Good. They're going to come forward and up, out to the side. Bring them back a little and down. So legs are strong, belly pulls in and up, and nice slow circles. So feel if one side's a little different than the other. Sometimes there's one area that it's a little hard to get that movement in. The next time your elbows are down towards the floor, we're going to reverse. So now bring them up, bring them forward, bring them down. They're going to go back. So as big and slow of circles as you can make. This is really great for upper back, shoulders, and the muscles of the arm. Keep the legs strong, belly pulls in and up. Good. Let's bring the arms out to the side, and then we're going to bring the elbows forward. That's an exhale. Maybe the elbows will touch, maybe they won't. Inhale, bring them as far open as they'll go. Exhale, we bring them closed. Inhale, we open. Good. Exhale, we close. Inhale, we open. Keep them open. Bring the arms down by your side to take a few more of those shoulder rolls. Those are good anytime. Good. Shake it out. Next thing is the Egyptian. So we're going to have our feet hip width apart, strong legs, belly pulls in and up. Let's bring the arms up overhead. Palms are going to touch. We're going to bend the elbows a little. So your head is right in between the arms. If you look to the side, you can see your arms. We don't want the arms forward. So elbows bend out to the side. Now we're going to keep the shoulders, the back, the hips nice and neutral. It's not going to move at all. And it's that like walk like an Egyptian. So right ear goes towards your right arm and left ear goes towards your left arm. And try not to move the shoulders or the hips too much or the arms too much, and just going side to side. So feel that in the neck, in the upper body, in the chest, in the shoulders, side to side, nice and slow. Good. Head comes to center. Going to bring those arms down by our side. Take a few of those shoulder rolls again. Up and back and down. Up and back and down. One more. Up and back and down. Good. We're going to do a chest opener. So you're going to take the right hand, bring it up towards the ceiling, and bring your right fingers to your left shoulder, or maybe it won't even go to the left shoulder if your shoulders are tight. Maybe it's more towards the middle of the back. And then you're going to take your left hand down. The palm is going to face out at waist high. Good. So just hold here. Try to point that right elbow up towards the ceiling. And then we're going to bring the right elbow back, left elbow back. So squeeze shoulder blades together, bring elbows back. We're opening the chest and we're working that upper back. So keep the belly pulling in and up, heart lifting. Bring those shoulders back, elbows back. Keep breathing. Nice and slow. We're going to bring the left hand down. We're going to bring the right hand up and around and down. Good. Just take a moment. Feel the difference. Right side, left side. Shake that out a little bit. Good. And we're going to bring left hand up. Bend the left elbow. Bring your left fingertips to the right shoulder or to the back of the neck. Try to have that left elbow pointing up towards the ceiling. Right arm's going to come behind you at waist level. Palm faces out. Good. Strong legs, belly pulls in and up, and we're going to bring both elbows back, squeeze both shoulder blades together, lift the heart, lift the chest, keep the belly pulling in and up as you breathe. Good. That left elbow pointing up towards the ceiling. Don't let it come forward. We're trying to point it up towards the ceiling. Good. Keep expanding the chest and squeezing the shoulder blades together. Nice and slow. You're going to bring the right hand down. Bring the left hand up and around and down. Good. Adjust your shirt. Probably got a little out of whack. Shake out arms and legs. Next is the trapezius stretch. So it's going to work the upper back here. So we're going to take our right hand behind the back, and we're going to take the left hand and hold the right wrist. So as you're holding that right wrist, you're going to lean your head to the left. So left hand holding right wrist, lean our head to the left. So we get a nice stretch. Shoulder. Good. Couple breaths. Now just slightly lift your chin up a little bit and just feel that in the neck, in the shoulders. So you're kind of bringing that right arm over to the left as the head moves to the left. Now bring the chin back to center and inhale at the head, neck straight up. And then exhale over to the right. So just a little counter stretch here. Big breaths. Good. Bring the head back to center. And then we're going to let go of the arms. Shake out the arms. We're going to take the left hand behind us at waist level and take the right hand, hold the left wrist. So we're gently kind of pulling that left arm to the right. Now we inhale, and as you exhale, we're going to lean our head to the right. So we get a nice stretch on that left side of the neck. Belly pulls in and up. So left arm going to, did I say left? We're leaning our head to the right, and we're stretching the left side of the neck. We're pulling that left arm to the right. Now just slightly lift the chin a little bit. Just see what that does, where you might feel that. Big breaths, strong legs. Bring the chin back to center and bring the head back to center. And then nice and slow, lean the head to the left. So a little counter stretch on that right side. Couple big breaths here. Good. Bring the head back to center And then we're going to let go of the arms, bring the arms down by our side. Separate the feet a little wider than the hips. We're going to take a few little side swings. So let the arms be floppy, shoulders relaxed. The opposite heel lifts. So when the arms swing to one side, that opposite heel lifts. You kind of come up to the toes. So this just helps that whole upper body, shoulder area relax and release. This also lowers blood pressure. So this little motion of side to side helps to lower the blood pressure, and it tones the waistline. Good. And then bring that to center. Good. One last thing, we're going to take some sun breaths. So feet hip width apart. Firm up your legs. Pull the belly in and up. Arms at your side. We're going to inhale. Hands come up. And we're going to exhale. Hands come down. So when the hands come up, turn the palms up. When the hands come down, we're going to turn the palms down. So we get that little rotation in the shoulders, in the wrists. So it's nice and slow with your breath. Inhaling up and exhaling down. Let's take one more of those. Inhaling up. Good. Exhaling down. Good. Bring the palms together, thumbs at the heart. And this ends our yoga for the workplace, or anytime you need a little upper back shoulder stretch. I hope you enjoyed the class. Namaste.